Welcome to our guide on how to record expenses that have been prepaid using Advanced Settlement in Docket. With Advanced Settlement in Docket, you can swiftly move expenses to a different balance sheet account without making an additional payment. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docket account. Click on Expense Management in the top header menu and choose Accounts Payable. Select Invoice Queue to access all your invoices in one place. Select an invoice that has been verified or is in the ready-to-pay status based on your user permissions. Next, click on the amount shown on the right side of the invoice that you wish to work on. Choose the option Mark as Paid from the drop-down menu that appears. Once you have selected, click the Advanced Settlement option from the additional available choices. A dialog box will appear where you can select the desired balance sheet account to which you want to move the expense. Please fill in the fields on the Advanced Settlement dialog box to proceed with the process. After ensuring all details are accurate, click Confirm to conclude the advanced settlement. And there you have it. You have now learned how to record expenses that have been prepaid using Advanced Settlement in Docket. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.